Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Friday, the 26th of October. The euro is weakening as market participants are feeling more risk averse. The European Central Bank President Draghi met with German lawmakers in a closed-door discussion on Wednesday, specifically regarding the outright monetary transaction bond buying programme, and reiterated that the programme will not cause inflation or weaken ECB's independence. The International Monetary Fund revised its forecast for Ireland's GDP growth in 2013 down to 1.1% from 1.4%, naming external trading conditions. Investors worldwide are expected to closely monitor the US third quarter GDP release later today at 12:30 GMT. The British pound advanced from 160.29 to 161.16 versus the US dollar, following a better than expected GDP release at 1%. The New Zealand dollar is falling against the US dollar following comments by the Reserve Bank of New Zealand Governor Wheeler that a lower exchange rate is best for New Zealand's economy only if price stability and financial strength are not jeopardised. Oil is now trading just above $84.90 a barrel. That seems to be acting as a short-term support. A break below this level could pave the way for lower lows. Let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 129.85 with a preference to enter in short positions at 129.75. The dollar-yen pivot points at 79.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 79.90. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 103.45 with a preference to enter into short positions at 103.35. The sterling dollar pivot points at 160.80 with a preference to enter into long positions at 160.80. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 0.9975 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.9975. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 87.50 with a preference to enter into short positions at 87.50. The gold pivot points at 1718 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1718. The silver pivot points at 32.25 with a preference to enter into short positions at 32.25. The US 500 is at 1415 with a preference to enter in short positions at 1415. And the UK 100 is at 5789 with a preference to enter in short positions at 5789. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In Switzerland, we have the KOF indicator in October forecast to drop to 1.63. And in the US, we have the GDP in the third quarter forecast to expand by 1.9%. And also the University of Michigan confidence for October forecast to drop to 83. And our interesting pair of the day is the US dollar Polish zloty. We saw that the US dollar recorded a higher high at 321.94 versus the Polish zloty this morning and is currently holding on to it. The pair now lies above 321 support area and a continuation of this uptrend is very likely, but market participants should be careful of the downside. Thank you for tuning in to our daily outlook for the 26th of October. We look forward to seeing you again on Monday. I'm Emma Andrew from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great weekend.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.